Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to today's tutorial on the Odyssey technique. Today we are focusing on encoding information into our Odyssey maps. Alright, so this is the final step of the Odyssey technique, and here we will be teaching you how to fully put in information into your map. It's important that you remember your map from last lesson and you remember the different stations within it. This will make this lesson much easier and it will enable you to apply this technique in other situations. Okay, so for this example, we are going to use 4 items and 4 stations. For the items, we have dog, Valentine's Day, water, and wine. These are 4 random items that we're trying to remember. And for our first 4 stations, we have a painting, the fridge, a sink, and balcony. In this lesson, we are going to go through how to encode information into your stations within your map. Hopefully, things will be more clear to you in the subsequent slides. When it comes to encoding, it's important that you integrate both the item and the station in such a way that you remember it vividly. The wilder your imagination, the better. In this instance, the first station, which is the painting, is now a painting of a dog. Now, when you're walking through your palace, you will remember seeing a dog on the painting. The second one is a Valentine's Day note on the fridge. In this instance, when you're walking past the fridge, you remember seeing the Valentine's Day note. It could be anything at all. It could even be a massive kiss on the fridge. The fridge could even be pink with a bow wrapped on it and having a Valentine's Day gift on top of it. The crazier your imagination, the better, because it's more likely you remember it. And then the third one, luckily for us, is the sink. So we just had the sink overflowing with water to help us remember that the item is water. And finally, we have a glass of wine on the balcony to remember that the item that we're trying to remember on the 4th position is wine. This example showed us using the technique on a list of random items. However, it can be applied in so many different ways. We can use it to recall historical facts. We can use it to learn different processes such as respiration, or remember names and faces. Thank you for listening to this presentation. We hope that you enjoyed this and fully understand how to encode information into your Odyssey map now. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson, where we're going to go through another example of how this technique can be used.